In this video, we're going to show you how to analyze sales data in TeamGate CRM. If you're looking to make smarter, data-driven decisions for your sales team, this quick guide is perfect for you. Stick around because by the end, we'll also share a top alternative that could be even better suited to your needs. Let's dive into TeamGate CRM's key features for analyzing sales data. First, when you log into TeamGate, the main dashboard gives you an immediate overview of your sales performance. You can quickly assess key metrics like sales volume, conversion rates, and your team's overall progress. This high-level view lets you spot any trends or issues that may need attention, but it's just the beginning. Next, you can drill down into specific reports within the software. One of the most useful features is the Sales Pipeline Report, which provides a detailed snapshot of where each deal stands. This allows you to track which stages of the sales funnel are performing well and which might need more focus. It's really useful for pinpointing bottlenecks and allocating resources accordingly. However, while this pipeline view is helpful, the customization options can feel a bit limited for larger teams, especially if you're looking for more granular data. The third thing to keep in mind is the forecasting tools TeamGate provides. These tools are designed to give you a clear picture of future sales based on current data. You can forecast revenue and set realistic sales goals for your team. That said, while TeamGate's forecasting is useful, some users report that it can be overly simplistic, particularly for companies that need highly detailed projections. The fourth thing is the analytics dashboard, which can track your team's performance in real time. You can filter data by team members, leads, and even specific deals. This is ideal for understanding individual contributions and spotting patterns in sales activity. However, one drawback is that the analytics could be more intuitive. If you want to access advanced reporting, you may need to do a bit of extra work to customize your reports, which could be cumbersome for new users. One feature that stands out in TeamGate CRM is the integrations with other tools. This can streamline your workflow, allowing you to sync data from email marketing platforms, calendar apps, and more. But be aware, TeamGate doesn't have as many integrations as some of its competitors, which could be a deal breaker if you rely on a diverse tech stack. Now, if you're comparing TeamGate CRM to other software out there, while it's a solid choice for sales teams, it's important to be aware of its limitations. For example, if you're looking for more advanced reporting or customization, you might find TeamGate lacking in those areas. If this is a deal breaker for you, there are alternatives that provide a better solution for businesses with more complex needs. The alternatives I'm talking about also offer free trials, and they could be a better fit for achieving your sales data analysis goals. One of the best options to consider is Software Name, which not only gives you the same kind of analytics you get in TeamGate, but it also comes with more flexibility and customization options, helping you dive deeper into your data. Before we wrap up, I wanted to mention that through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of Software Name, as well as additional benefits that aren't available anywhere else. If you're serious about analyzing sales data in a way that works for your team, don't miss out on this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for the best free trials and exclusive offers.